Okay, so this is a third session for Chris of Sculptra. Chris's main problem was loss of volume, so I always explain to the client, as we age we start to lose fat and we also start to lose bone, which basically means that we have excess skin. Normally Sculptra is the only product that I would use to replace lost volume. Again, it's probably been around about 3-4 months since Chris had her first lot of injections. She's had a fantastic result if you look at the before and after pictures. This is the third lot of injections. Cost-wise, we're normally talking £400 per vial, so around about £2,000 for a course of treatment. The beauty about Sculptra is that you can get 2 to 3 years out of it. I've actually had it myself. It's a great preventative product. Very, very, very important that when it's injected, you massage. And what it does is it causes what I call neocollagenesis. So it's a product that's injected that causes collagen to be reproduced. So it's your own body reproducing collagen. And again, a series of very, very, very simple injections. We add a little bit of anaesthetic into the product as well. So after this procedure, Chris will feel a little bit numb. And the cheek area is always the area that we tend to lose a lot of volume in. You okay, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay. And again, Chris, just turn. Extremely important from the patient's point of view that they massage this product. It's had some great reviews. If you have a little look on Google, it's a good anti-aging product used in both male and females. I'm very happy with the result, and hence I use it on my clients. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.
Very, very important after it, Chris, if we just pop you back. Okay, thank you. We just pop you back. Massage, Chris.
Yeah.
Like last time.
Yeah.
Very, 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 very important that we do that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just say. I always say to the client, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Twice a day. So Chris, this time we've deposited in the cheek area. You can see, Chris, from your photographs on the left hand side, you probably have a little bit more reinflation.
Mm-hmm.
So I've injected a little bit more of the product on that side. Ask you to go away probably for about 8 weeks now, and then I will review the whole situation. Long term from the first injection with Sculptra, we're normally looking at our end point at around about 6 months. Patients after 6 weeks can normally start to feel a little bit of thickening in the skin. And again, great combination treatment. For example, with Chris, our philosophy at Tracey is that we look at the canvas, which is the skin. We look at lines, which we split into static lines, so i.e. these deep ones that we normally develop, or dynamic, i.e. when we smile, that's where we use the likes of Botox. Volume loss can be used a combination of either Sculptra or a filler such as Restylane or Juvederm Ultra, both nice products to use as well. So in Chris's case, we've started to do a little bit of resurfacing on her skin. Today we've taken a little bit of redness out with the use of an IPL laser. It's very, very good if you've got a good client as well. Which you are, Chris.
Oh, thank you. I'm not soft. I'm not.
No, you're not. And again, Chris is probably a typical client that would come into us. We get clients of all different ages. And that's it. How do you feel?
Fine. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Okay. So again, Chris, you just know that I've deposited in the cheek
Yeah.
area here and in what I call the cat's whiskers.
Mm-hmm.
So very, very, very important
Mm-hmm.
tonight that you massage, yeah? Very, very small circular movements. Wendy will pop a little bit of makeup on. You might get a little bit of, after any Sculptra, you can get a little bit of bruising. We try and minimise that if we can by injection technique. But again, she should be able to go back to work very, very same day, really. Normally notice that straight after the Sculptra, it's a little bit swollen, yeah? That tends to disappear within about 5 days. I always say to the client, don't be disappointed, that's normal. And again, it tends to work in all different ages. I've got clients for Sculptra from the age of probably around about 23, 24, right the way up to my eldest client is around about 68. All of them have had good results.